Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Works. So today's video is for beginners or anyone who's trying to learn hand lettering and are confused of what products they should start with. So here I am to make it easy for you. These are some of the products that I have bought here today to start with. For beginners, I would recommend is a normal black pen as it's very convenient to write normally in cursive handwriting or any different fonts that you are comfortable with. Also, it's very cost effective. This would cost you 10 rupees, that's all. I'll show you few words. I also have a YouTube video that I have shot of how you can do hand lettering with a normal pen. Go check that out. You can give it a calligraphy effect, modern calligraphy effect. It's the easiest way to start hand lettering. Next I would recommend is a brush pen. I wouldn't recommend to buy brush pens in packs with experience as they are very expensive. Also, you might not end up using all of them. So for brush pens, this is the one I would highly recommend is a Tombow one, as the brush of this pen does not damage that fast. Along with this, I would recommend the Koi one. But there is also one more recommendation, as if you are starting to just learn using a brush pen, I would recommend you to go with the Camlin ones, as these are very cheap in the market, and these are cheap as the brush of the pen damages really quickly, but they are good for just starting, so you can go for this. These are not that simple to write as well, but for start they are great. But the Tombow ones are a little expensive. This will cost you 150 per brush pen. The Koi one will cost you around 80 rupees a brush pen. The Tombow one will cost you this much as it is a dual pen. One side is a brush pen and the other side is a normal sketch pen. I'll show you a few words using the same. This gives you the freedom of lifting or having as thinner upper lines as you wish to. They're very smooth to write. The best part, the brush does not damage that fast, so you have a long-term effect of the same. This is one side, this is the other side. Helps you get as many as fonts you can. For the third one, I would recommend you to buy a metallic brush pen, as these go on the black backgrounds as well and the white backgrounds, as these brush pens or the normal pens do not give any effect on a black paper. So when you have to try, this is the smoothest pen I have come across. This is on the black background. You can go ahead also using it on a white background. I have used many metallic brush pens, but this is my favorite as again the brush doesn't damage faster, plus it gives you great grip when you're writing any word or a quote or framing anything you like. So yeah, along with the metallic one, this is the last brush pen that I would recommend. Again, it is a little expensive but gives great finish when you just have to write quotes in just black, as this is the thinnest brush that I have come across. Just okay, I'll just write a word using the same. It again gives you the freedom of doing the thinnest upper lines as possible. Okay. So in brush pens, these are my 3 recommendations. In total, they would cost you around $250, and then you're good to go. And the last for the day is my personal favorite, is a water pen. You have to put water into it, or you can put any different types of inks. This you can use, I have used this to make backgrounds in my last video, which is on YouTube. You can check it out, and this is really good for smudging to different colors. And yeah, so these were my type of pens or the products that a beginner can easily use and is easily available in the market. If this will cost you hardly 500, as I said, I wouldn't recommend buying any of it in packs, as they are not at all cost effective, and you might not end up using all of them. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please share.